Hey guys, good afternoon. Dave Santarelli here, Santarelli Trading Exchange. Sorry about the mix up there on Vimeo. I don't know what's going on. I contacted Vimeo. They said there's a lot of people live streaming now with the shutdown. So, if there's ever a case like that, then I'm just gonna go on YouTube so we don't waste any time. But I got a few trades I'm looking at making here, guys. Let me get my notebook here. And so what we're looking for here is, first off, guys, our Clorox trade's doing awesome. Let's go over the two trades we made today quick. We made the Clorox May 15th 200 strike call at 470. Let's take a look at Clorox CLX. As you guys can see, she's still breaking higher here. Looking good. It retraced a little bit. Here is the BDM cycle, the BDM phase within the breakout momentum cycle. So we had BDM phase within the bomb cycle. Okay, the cycles are your daily charts. The phases are either within the cycles. When you pull back down to that 10, that's part of that cycle, the retracement period. And then if we look at today, we could look at some cycles and phases within the trading day on the today 1 minute chart. So first off, we retraced from a high of around 194.30 all the way back down to about 191. Still continuing to climb here, looking good. Nice breakout in the afternoon here. PayPal starting to run again too after having just about a double top here for the day. So we might get back up to right around 111-ish. But PayPal is looking good. That's up 5%. Our Clorox trade's up 4%. We have a 480 by 490 bid and ask on Clorox. PayPal 375 by 380. There's a tight spread there on that contract. Now what I'm looking at, guys, I told you guys in the trade room, Facebook and Abbott. Facebook, I really think we're going to start breaking out again. There she goes right now. It might be a good time to buy now. I'm going to be looking at a trade. Let me see, what's the Dow doing? Dow's up around 600 points here. If we take a look, the only thing that worries me a little bit here is that 50 SMA. We should easily break through that, though, this week, in my opinion. Let's take a look at Abbott. Abbott's one that I'm really wanting to play the short term here. Abbott, look at that. Got almost up to our $90 target that we talked about earlier. I really think this is going to continue to have a big breakout for the time to come. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pick up another small trade on Abbott, and I'm probably going to go out with the May 15th Expo. Let's see what they're going for here. The 90 strikes only going for about $3, which is pretty cheap. I'm going to do that. I'm going to pick that up because I think after earnings, she's going to have even a bigger run here. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to basic. I'm going to go to call. We're going to pick up the May 15th Expo. I mean, look at this week's Expo. So the 90 strikes going for $3. And for this week's, the 90 strikes going for about $1.50. So I'd much rather pay the extra money there. I mean, you could have a home run if you get the... you know what? Maybe I'll get a couple for this week and a couple for next week. I'll break it up. I'll get the April 17th 90 strike call. I'll pick that up for about $1.45. Let's buy a couple of those. Only 5 contracts for $700. And that did not execute yet. Let's go to order status. We can see that's still live there. I'm going to bump that up to that next nickel, $1.50. Buy to open, place trade, and boom, we're in it now. Partially filled. We got in 4 contracts are filled now. 5 contracts are filled. There we go. She's totally filled. Alrighty, so we just made the Abbott trade, and that one, I just want that a trade idea. That's a high-risk earnings trade. Junior Tomei said he made $1,200 on Abbott today. He jumped back in. Nice job. Did you get in our first Abbott trade, Junior? I love seeing how you guys are doing. Let me see here if I could put my headset on, because I don't like this microphone. I don't like how it sounds. Let me put on my headset here. See how this sounds. VJ, Microsoft is looking good as well. We were just talking about that in the trade room. Hold on here. Let me see here how I could get my my headset mic. Let's see, properties, Yeti. All right, tell me if you guys hear a different. Oh, let me plug her in. She's not plugged in yet. Tell me if you guys hear a difference in the quality. Tell me if you like this right now. Hold on. Alrighty, guys. Tell me if you like this voice right now, or do you like this voice better that's coming up? Give me 3 seconds. This voice, or hold on. Or do you guys like this voice? Could you hear me? Can you guys hear me now? Let me know. Did you like that other voice better or this voice, so I know for sure now which one to use? Say, Dave, I like the other voice better, or I like this one. It's much more crisp, clear, and better. Tell me what you guys think. The new one is more clear? Yes, that's a nice high-risk earning straight on Abbott. No, we're not muted, Ragu. You guys really think the first voice is better? The first one was better than this one right now. I don't know why you guys think that. Let me see here. I could let you guys hear Benzinga here even better. Hold on, watch this. I want to do this the right way, so hold on. Watch, if I go to desktop audio, let me see here. Hold on. Device. Where's the device? That can't be working. Hold on, guys, hold on. Alrighty, there we go. There we go. Let me see now. Let me try to play a sound here so I can see if something's working. Let's see. Let's go to YouTube and play something. I want to see if you guys could hear it good. I should be able to hear it fine. Definitely hear it now. Could you guys hear that in the background? Alrighty, guys. So, could you hear that a little bit better? Do you like this one or the first one? One last. I could turn up the volume too if you guys need me to turn up the volume a little bit. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, let me put on the first one here. Alrighty, guys. Now that should be back on. So you guys like this voice better than the one I just had on? Okay, let me put on the first one here. You guys, let me know if you guys hear a difference now. Alrighty? So you guys should be able to hear me loud and clear right now. Should be good. Our Abbott trade we just made for the April Expo, and now we're going to make one for the May Expo as well here. I'm going to go with the May 15th, and I'm going to pick up, let's see. All right, so this one's better, you're saying, I guess, huh? Alrighty, let's get back here to trading. There goes PayPal. Big run on PayPal. There she goes from 110 all the way up to 110.52. And let's pick up something now on Abbott for the May 15th monthly expo. Let's pick up the 90 strike. I like that one. Let me reopen this option chain here. I'm having an incredible day trading, but an absolutely nightmare of a day operational wise. Let's take a look here at Abbott. ABT, the May 15th monthly. And we'll take a look at the call, May 15th. And we'll look at the 90 strike. That's going for about 315. I'll pick up 5 contracts for now. 315, that should be easily doable. Alrighty, guys. Now, here is the official trade. The official trade is the May 15th 90 strike call at 310. Alright, our target. Our target on this trade is going to be Abbott at 95. 95 will give us a 100% return. So I really think we're going to head to 95 by a month from now, a month and a day. I like that. Nice setup there. 1020 cross on PayPal. There goes PayPal entering breakout momentum. 1020 cross, first candle above the 1020.50 SMA. Now we're going to have resistance right around 110.70. If we could hold and continue that climb. Clorox trade's doing phenomenal. Let's take a look at Clorox. 194. It's just about. Our stop on Abbott's going to be the same as the previous one. ABT. Our stop on Abbott, looking at 3-month daily, is going to be, let's say, 85. 85 is going to be our stop. PayPal's still on the run, back up over 300 on PayPal for the day. 110.58, continuing to climb, 110.60. Take a look at the 1-minute today chart. Still breaking out there. Nice big break out there on PayPal. So like I said, 110.70. Let's see if we can get up to that resistance and continue that run there. Let's see, what else do we got here lined up? Let's see, United Health is doing well. Let's see UNH over here. UNH, that's still above 270, right at around 271. If that gets up to 280 tomorrow, which I think it definitely could happen, we're going to have massive gains on our United Health trade. Massive gains. So we'll keep an eye on that. Watch for PayPal here. Looking for that 10 and 50 cross coming up. Might retrace back down to around 110.43. That'd be fine. Let me add on our new trade here. Wow, guys, Walmart got up to 130. Unbelievable. I should have held Walmart longer. Needed to give it more time. Walmart 130 today. Wow. Unbelievable. PayPal still continuing to run. There goes PayPal again. Let's see it break that 110.60 from previous resistance and get up to that 110.70. We already made one trade on Abbott. Now, A little bit later on in the day, maybe around 3-ish, I'm going to be looking at a trade on Facebook. Facebook's at 180.63 right now. I'm going to be looking for that, and our target on Facebook's going to be 185 when we make that trade. Our trades are looking phenomenal. Guys, our Clorox trade's up 10%. Take a look at CLX here. Look at that go. Clorox trades up over 200 bucks. There goes PayPal again. Big breakout on PayPal. Been a hell of a day for us. There goes Clorox again. Clorox has a bid of 490, ask of 530. I just shut off the fan for Tom. I just got a text message from one of our members saying that the fan was too loud. So that's off now. Look at Clorox run, guys. Big run on Clorox, 490 by 510. We have the May 15th Expo for Clorox. There she goes. Big run again. She's going to get up to $200. I'm telling you, she's going to be $200 by the end of this week. I should be buying some Clorox for this week, actually. Everyone's still going to be buying their products even after the thing's gone. Let's see. Oh my god, look at how cheap this is. You'd be silly not to pick this up. We're up 11% now on Clorox. If I were to pick this up, I'd pick up the 195 strike or the 197.50. 197.50 is pretty cheap. Even the 200 isn't bad. Because if we get a move to 200 tomorrow, you're going to make at least a 400% gain on that 200 strike call. So that's something that you make a small trade on. It's not something you go put in a large amount into a trade like that. Wow, look at Clorox still run. There goes PayPal. Look at PayPal over here to the right. Nice jump on PayPal. Back over $300 profit on PayPal. Clorox is coming up to a $300 profit here as well. Almost up $600 on those two trades alone. There goes PayPal. What a breakout. Nice climb there on PayPal. JL Broker says, I'm a United Healthcare broker, and market share for Medicare is pretty much all theirs. Hey, JL Brokers, could I still get health insurance right now? If I could still get health insurance right now, let me know. Hook me up. I'll get my insurance through you. UNH. Are we in a UNH trade? Let me see. Yes, we are in UNH. I think UNH is going to have a nice run. I think that's going to have a big day tomorrow, if you ask me. I mean, just look at that candle. Look at that breakout. 280 to 290 should be easily doable in the next couple of weeks. By this week, I think we should get to 280 pretty quick. Can you guys hear me fine now? Was that up too loud before? Or should I bring it back like this? Is this a little bit better right here? Let me know, guys. JL Broker, where are you from? I heard that they didn't open that special enrollment, though. If I could get in special enrollment, I want one of the platinum memberships because I'd like to get a couple of things done. I want to get that weight loss surgery done, to be honest with you guys. Really want to lose this weight. Perfect. Great. Guys, our PayPal trade is soaring. Absolutely soaring. We're up almost $400 on PayPal. Let's see. What's CLX doing? Oh, my God. This should be up nicely as well. There she goes. Clorox trades up 9%. $200. I'd love to get insurance. If anyone sells insurance, let me know. Dr. Reiber, what do you think is the best? Dr. Reiber is a world-renowned surgeon. What do you think is the best insurance to get for someone like myself? I'm sure he probably has some idea of a good insurance plan. So tough to pick those. Look at Clorox go, guys. Nice climb there. Let's see PayPal hold that 10 and continue to run. I'm going to be looking at 111 for PayPal by the end of the day. 3-month daily chart on PayPal, like I said, based on this candle, like I told you guys yesterday on PayPal, based on this candle, it really looks like, well, we're at resistance right now. So if we do have a breakout tomorrow, it is going to get up to 115. There's no question in my mind. If we have a breakout tomorrow, we go to 115. If we break down, 105 is going to be the next support. Yeah, we are having a great day, Junior. Junior Tome, are you a member with us yet? You guys should sign up. Sign up at Breaking Chart Alerts. Usually this afternoon session is only for our pro traders. And this is usually where we make our good swing trades like we did today. UNH, there's some put sweeps coming in for this Friday. Abbott, look at all the calls coming in on Abbott. 89 straight calls for this Friday. PayPal's still on the run there. There we go. PayPal's running. PayPal's back up 10%. Nice breakout here, guys. If we could get a good breakout here the last hour, we are going to be set. PayPal up 500 bucks, up 12%. I don't. JL Broker said, I sell insurance. There is so many options. You could go through the marketplace for ACA coverage, and privately, United Health and others offer plans where friends on Facebook. Oh, we're friends on Facebook? Great. I don't think I could get the marketplace, the ACA, the Affordable Care Act. I make about $700,000 a year. There goes PayPal again. Another big breakout on PayPal. Look at that run. Look at that run. Excuse me. We are looking good. See how over here it came down to that 50? I was watching on this candle here. This candle, if we rewind this video back to 1431, you'll see on this video I got worried about Clorox there a little bit, but it's holding. It held that 50, and again it came down to that 50, held. So far, let's see what happens. PayPal's doing very well though. Up 400 bucks on PayPal, up 11%. Walmart's pulling back from the highs here as well. There goes PayPal, guys. More highs here on that breakout. Another nice high. Another breakout on PayPal, and as you can see, Clorox is still holding that 50. And there goes Clorox again, and 193.90 is going to be that next resistance on Clorox. Beautiful day today, guys. We are kicking butt today. There goes PayPal continuing to run and continuing that breakout. Here goes Clorox. Come on, PayPal, get up to that 110.90. PayPal trades up 12%. And that's for a monthly expo that doesn't even expire for a while. That's nice. You can make a quick gain like that. Wish I held on to the weeklies this week. Come on there, PayPal and Clorox. Keep that run going. Walmart really took off. I told you guys yesterday in video 130 was a target, and I should have listened to myself. I'm beating myself in the butt right now for not getting in that and staying in that. Come on, Clorox. There you go. Bounce off that 50 SMA one more time there. See, now it's starting to flatten out, though. Just like the COVID. Remember COVID, how we were spiking like this red 50 SMA? And now the curve is flattening. Think of the COVID when you look at this. Seriously, it's a good way to learn and remember things. But think of this. We're breaking. Now you see the curve starting to happen. We're flattening out. And as you can see with the candles now we're in the NTZ, the no trade zone. So, until we break that, let's say 193.88, it's in the NTZ and it might shift phases here within the cycle. So we might start to enter BDM here. I'm already thinking about that right now. What am I going to do? Well, I have the Clorox May 15th. If it was this week's expo, I'd be out of that trade. The first candle that closes with the confirmation candle below that 50 SMA on a minute chart here. But since we have the May 15th, plenty of time, and I'm not worried if that enters BDM for a little bit here. Had a big run today, 4.45%, so a little bit of retracement is okay. Now let me put up DIA above. Let me see what the diamond ETF's doing. Now see, on the diamond chart, we're heading lower here. So we might retrace now for a little bit. And that's something where if you wanted to hedge yourself with it, you could easily get a SPY for today or tomorrow's expo and have that as a little hedge there against your long calls for the May expo. And these are the things I teach in our classes. Don't sign up for classes, though. I'm telling you. Wait, give it a month because we are booked now. And when I see new classes sign up, yeah, it's nice, it's nice to have a sale of a course or a class. But to be honest with you, it just stresses me out having all those people on my calendar. I can't stop thinking about it. So, I have mine, our clients now that are booked. So now, don't sign up for any more. I will let you guys know. There goes PayPal again. Well, the premium's heading higher there. Just got a pop in that. I'm watching up above on the positions page. Now, see what I told you? I told you that we were going to be entering BDM here, way back here. How did I know that? Well, first off, that's experience and years of trading. But like I said, we're following our trade plan. We're breaking out. Each time we break out, we're making new highs. And then what I saw back here is a triple top. Look at right here, the candle here, the body. Right at it around 193.90. Again right here, again right here, again right here. The wicks don't count. I'm looking at the bodies. The bodies got up to it 193.90, 193.90, 193.90. and it failed on these two candles. So when I saw that, and then I saw the flattening of the 50 SMA, I said, you know what? We're flattening out here. We're in the NTZ. We might be entering BDM, which is breakdown momentum, and now's the time when you'd be buying some puts and looking for that retracement. And that's why I was talking about getting something like the SPYs for today or tomorrow's expo if you wanted to do something like that. So, let's take a look. If we wanted to make that hedge, what we would do is go here. Let's type in SPY, and we could look at the April 15th expo, which is tomorrow. And we could see here we could pick up the 283 strike put for about $2.32. It's up 8 today. So this is an ATM strike. So anything below 283 minus what we paid. So 281 whatever is going to be our break even. And as you can see, we're continuing to break lower here. So, if I wanted to make a quick day trade, I could get some puts here for the April 15th expo. I could pick up the 283. And if I pick up 10, it's going to be a, $2,300 hedge. Now watch here. See if PayPal holds and continues to climb. Same here. If it doesn't, then I would enter into a hedge for tomorrow's expo if I wanted that hedge against all the calls. That short-term hedge for long-term calls. And that's what you're just sitting here and looking at all day. You're saying, okay, we have that confirmation. 10 crossing below the 20. Here's confirmation. And you could be entering into your puts. You know your targets. You know your stops. We're coming up on the last hour here of the day as well. Usually there are some profit takers coming in at the end of the day. So usually you will see a pullback, which I expect to see. I mean, we're up 600 points today. And we're really micromanaging charts right here because we're zoomed in. If you go on a regular minute chart here, here's your normal minute chart. So when we're zoomed in, we're really looking at the details of those charts. Here we go, PayPal. Still no body above that 20 or 10 yet. Same thing with Clorox. We're waiting for that confirmation body above. Southwest Air to cut 550 to 650 flights a day added as of April 14th. There goes PayPal and Clorox. There we go. Let's see if we could have a nice run this last hour here. Then I'd be very optimistic for tomorrow as well. I don't like how Dow, the diamond, looks on a chart, on a daily chart. I do like how Qs look. Tech looks pretty strong. Valeria Rodriguez says, we made good money on it. What did you make good money on? There goes Clorox again. Here comes the pullback, the retracement. Big candles there now on PayPal on that pullback. Let's see what Abbott's doing. Abbott was in BDM here. This is so, I mean, look at it. Here's the 10 crossing below the 20. Dropped. Came back up. Tested resistance at the 20. Dropped lower. 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 Came back up. Tested resistance at the 10. Lower. Lower. Consolidated. Consolidated. Resistance at 10. Next leg lower. Now here it is between the 10 and the 20 SMA, and that tells us that we may have a shift coming, as we can see the MACD's already crossed. So I could see this continuing to run here and getting back up to, 89.10ish, 89. Once we get that 10-20 cross there. And there you go. There you have it with Abbott. Abbott's starting that breakout now. Clorox is starting to run here as well. Again. Oh, Valeria said we made good money today on it. She said, I said, on what? And she said the Abbott, Netflix, and Walmart trade. Clorox is taking another big run here. So right now, PayPal, as you can see, it's getting up to that 10 failing, up to the 10 failing. So watch. It's still between the 50 and the 10 SMA right now, so I'll keep an eye on that. But if she drops below that 50 there, that'd be concerning, and I'd be looking at the next support. There goes Clorox, another big breakout. I'd love to see PayPal start a run here again. PayPal continuing that breakdown now, breaking below that 50. So now what we're doing is we're going to look at that next support, which is going to be right at around 110.10, down to 110. So another 33-cent drop I could see happening. If it breaks below that, then we might get down to about 109.50. Clorox holding that 20.50. And guys, what we're doing here, I'm just doing details and teaching you guys the trade plan as we go. You know, I don't ever want to see you guys as that detailed when you're just learning, because all you're worried about for swing trades is, like I said, a daily chart. The only way you're looking at minute charts is if you're day trading. If you're swing trading, all that matters to us is what the candle looks like at the end of the day. And this chart right here looks very bullish on Clorox. I could honestly see another big run coming on Clorox. Yeah, Facebook's still holding 180, right at 179.91. Guys, the market's continuing to pull back here. PayPal still in BDM. It's getting up to that 10, failing, up to the 10, failing, up to the 10, failing. So keep an eye on that. I mean, we're zoomed in quite a bit, so I mean, we're still only about 70 cents off highs. I was going to pick up Facebook, but it's down to 179 now. If it held that 180, I was going to buy it. Still 52 minutes left of the day, so we'll see where she ends. Well, we just got an announcement from Fauci. Fauci just said May 1st target for reopening the U.S. economy is overly optimistic. You can see that right here. I'll share that with you guys in the trade room. I'll post it in the YouTube chat here as well. Oh, I can't. Too long. Trade room it goes. Yeah, we're on YouTube this afternoon here. There was an issue with Vimeo on our platform. Guess they have a lot of demand, which is ridiculous. But welcome aboard. When did you join us? Niam Surin 03. Nice to have you with us. Now, see, instead of watching PayPal go down in value, now I'm only up $100 on PayPal. It was up 500 before. So instead of watching that, here was that 1020 cross. This candle right here, we could have been out of that trade and saved ourselves from watching our account drop and then entered back in breakout momentum. If we wanted to, you know, nitpick on our trade, we have a monthly trade there. It's a month and a day until Expo. So there's no need to make those fine trades on it. But you could have done that if you wanted something to do with your time. But or you could just add to it and average down here once we get that crossover. There goes PayPal. Come on, PayPal. There's that MACD cross. Let's see if it holds that 20 and starts that run. What about you guys? Let me see where the YouTube chat is here. There we go. There it is. Are you guys trading anything today? What's going on today with you guys? Let me know if you guys got any nice charts to take a look at. He brought me a little mini fridge for the office here, so I'm going to get a nice diet ginger ale from it right now. I don't ever have to go home now. Let's see. You guys are saying Kroger. Let's see what Kroger's doing. Kroger looks like it's going to have a nice run to at least 33, maybe 33.50. There goes PayPal again. 1020 cross is coming up. PayPal's back up $250. Clorox trades up 125. Our GE trades down 9%. Usually we're doing this afternoon trading session on the website, but today we got to do it on here. Come on, PayPal. Works looks like it's going to drop much more. I could see Works coming back down to about $5. Why did they have that big pop from $2.50 all the way up to $15? What happened with it? Not a stock I follow. Mr. Elephant says they wish I did it on here more. Come join us for the Pro Trader membership, and you'll get it every day. There goes PayPal dropping down to 110. Quick 50-cent drop there in 2 minutes. And we're continuing to drop lower here. Let's put on the Diamond ETF. Okay. Thank you, RRL. I appreciate that. He says an exceptional service like what Dave offers comes at a price which is well worth it. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. It's going to be a slow day here. Another half hour. Probably just going to continue that sell-off here. UNH is back at 270. I should continue to climb. Mr. Elephant, what trades did you get today? I'll tell you right now. What did they say? How many deaths? Let me put that a little bit louder. 1,500 deaths today, with many states still did not report. Oh, if you got in Clorox and PayPal, you should be fine. You should do well with those. Why didn't you get the Abbott trade? That's one that, like, a single contract for that $150. That $150 could be worth $1,000. And that's not a bad spec trade. You know, sometimes spec trades aren't that bad to get into. I gotta think what I could do, because now that I'm doing these afternoon sessions, as I'm sitting here for 13 hours a day, I'm getting so stiff. You know, my back hurts. I gotta decide what to do. Maybe I have to go for an afternoon walk here before starting the afternoon session. But man, change your schedule a little bit there and your body feels it. There goes PayPal on the run. Abbott Labs is starting to climb again here as well. Nice. Shop had a big breakout today. I saw that. I think yesterday it had a big breakout as well, didn't it? Everyone's selling things online now. Shopify should continue to run. I think that should hit 550 based on what I'm seeing here. I mean, we have a little bit of resistance right here, but I think we're going to smash through that and see that 550 target hit. I'm a very impatient person, Stuart. Like now I'm sitting here, like I know nothing's going to happen at the end of the day. You know? So I'm just sitting here twiddling my thumbs, watching the charts here. I know, Doc. You asked about Shop yesterday, and I said it wasn't one that I liked. Now it finally broke that 50, though, so I think that's going to have another big run over the next couple of days. Based on that, I could definitely see it getting back up to 550, Doc. Let's see what the volume's looking like. We could see if there's big funds coming in. There's just more buyers and sellers coming in right now. Volume's pretty much stable. Yeah, that can. I think that's going to have another couple of days of gains. Not bad. UNH, I got that on my other chart here. You guys know what it looks like. I have 6 monitors in front of me, and then 2 over to the right, and then 1 in back of me. So there's 9 monitors here, and then there's another laptop. But watching that breakout there. There goes United Health. United Health starting to break out now, if that's what you were talking about. Let's take a look at the today 1 minute. As you can see, there's 1020 cross looking good. Here's the SMA cluster coming up. Nice climb there. Let's see if it could continue that and get back up to that 270.50. There we go. There's some buyers coming in. Our Clorox trade's taking off again here as well. Let's see Clorox quick. Clorox at new highs of the day, guys. Clorox is now up 5%, up almost $10 for the day. I mean, I really think this is going to get to 200 bucks, no doubt, probably tomorrow. It might even get to, 210 by the end of the week. Take a look at Clorox Go, guys. Our Clorox trade's already up 13% right now. We have a bid of 510 and an ask of 530. Look at Clorox continue that run, getting up to almost 195. I'd love to see PayPal start to break out here. It looks like PayPal wants to start to climb here as well. Might get a little bit of buyers coming in here in the last half hour, last 30 minutes, 29 minutes of the day. See if this buying continues. There we go, Clorox, 195. We're now up 13% on Clorox. 510 by 550. I think Johnson & Johnson, they're probably going to have a big run coming up here. They're probably going to get back up to that 150 to 155. That's my target for J&J. Guys, Clorox trade's now up 14%. I'm watching the chart above. Clorox trade now up 15%.
Trump says he just had a phone call with Francis Macron.
Trump just had a phone call with Macron. There goes Clorox. 15% on Clorox.
Kelly Gasparino tweeting now. Connecticut Governor Lamont, Pennsylvania Governor Wolf, said to be behind the Cuomo movement for Vice President to Joe Biden.
Wow, everyone wants Cuomo to be the vice president to Biden. Unbelievable. The guy does a couple videos a day, one video a day, and all of a sudden, boom, let's make him vice president. Sounds qualified. Dr. Reiber, if you do cosmetic surgery, let me know. Or if you work on the lower lumbar, L4, L5, L5S1, or if you do knee surgery, let me know. Got to do that. Look at Clorox go. We're now up 18% on our Clorox trade, guys. 18%. Up $400 on Clorox. Unbelievable. She's still running. She's going to $200. There's no question about it. I should be getting some Clorox calls for this. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I was looking at Clorox for this week's expo. I totally forgot about that. Weren't we in the process of doing that and then something happened? Oh my God, look at Clorox. Guys, we're up 20% on Clorox. Up $500 on Clorox, up $200 on PayPal, $700 in unrealized profits right there. Yes, sexy, yes. I believe the same thing. I don't like Biden. I loved Obama, you know, I really did. I think Obama did a great job. You know, Trump... Guys, Clorox now up 25%. We got a 25% gain on Clorox. Up $600 on Clorox. Nice move there, guys.
RWLK, we walk robotics pumping to the highs 96 cents. On volume up 51%.
I'm holding Clorox. You better believe it. I'm holding Clorox to $200. Which should give me another $1,000 profit. Guys, we have a 23% gain on Clorox. Yes, Diamond is breaking out. I have that on the chart over there. Guys, take a look at Qualcomm. Come on. Why didn't anyone bring up Qualcomm to me? You guys know I'm a big Qualcomm trader. I've been caught up in our trade zone. Take a look at the 3-month daily chart on Qualcomm here. There is no doubt in my mind this thing is going much higher. I'm jumping in a trade on Qualcomm. I'm going to get the Qualcomm May 15th. Let's pick up the, let's see. I'll pick up the 75 strike call. Better yet, I'll pick up the 80. The 80 strike, 320. I'll pick up 10 of those. All right, I'm in Qualcomm 320. Alrighty, I just added that there for you guys. You guys like it in the bottom right there, or should I put it over here?
EKSO and Probiotics getting popped into the money on volume EKSO 378.
Target on Qualcomm is going to be let's say 82 to 85. 82 to 85, that's short term. And our stop on Qualcomm's going to be a candle below 74. United Health is on the climb again. $15. What a big breakout that had. Still up 19% on Clorox. I was thinking about doing a hedge because we're long so many things here. I didn't do a hedge yesterday. Glad I didn't, because I saved myself some nice profits there. I mean, SPY looks like that's going to continue at least up to 288.78. Diamond ETF's the only one I was worried about. I mean, look at that candle there. There's nothing that intimidating about that candle. Failed to break above the candle on 4.9 last week. Now if we look at Qs, we can see Qs looks like that's going to continue that breakout. Remember, we were talking about this yesterday. We said it looked like we were going to have a big breakout tomorrow, and we did. We had a huge breakout. I could see Qs getting up to around 220. I could see another day like today, and then I don't think we're going to break that for a while. I think when we get up to that 220, that's going to act as resistance, and then we're going to draw back down to maybe 210, maybe even 200, depending on how long the virus is going to last. We got a pullback now happening. Clorox, they're buying the July 17, 200 puts. Amazon's at new highs. I can't believe that. Did you guys see Amazon? That's one that I used to trade all the time. Look at those candles on Amazon. I mean, that looks like a stock that's going to 2,500 bucks if you ask me. I think that's going to 2,500 easily. Unbelievable chart there on Amazon. Now see how PayPal, that 50 is acting as resistance? 50, 50, 50. Qualcomm trades in the green. PayPal trades in the green. There goes PayPal, guys. Take a look at PayPal. There she runs. Look at PayPal taking off. Come on, PayPal. Guys, United Health had a nice breakout above 271. Looking good there. That United Health trade is going to make us a nice profit. Nice profit. Still have about another $1,000 to go on that United Health spread. So as long as we're above 270 on United Health by Friday, I'll have another extra $1,000 profit on that spread. And then I'll have a, let's see, I have the calls as well, so I should have another about $500 on there. So I should be looking at another $1,500 in profits as we continue to climb here on UNH. And as long as it's above that 270 on Friday, I'll have another $1,000 net profit on that spread. Oh yeah, Abbott is looking good. I think Abbott's going to have a big beat. I mean, look at what these other ones are doing. I think they're going to have a huge beat. What do you guys think? You think Abbott's going to have a big beat tomorrow and continue to run? What's your thoughts on Abbott? Abbott is next month's expo, so I don't think she's gonna drop. I think we should get a little hedge on the diamonds tomorrow, or for this week. I'll get one on SPY for tomorrow. That one's going to have the biggest bang for the buck. I'll look at the April 15th. Put expiration April 15th. So how I'm going to do this now is I'm going to look at the account. How much do I have invested? Okay, I got about 20,000 invested right now. So most of that though is, let's see, 15. So I'll put about, let's see, I'll put about 7% of what I have invested in a hedge. So if I have 20,000, multiply that by 0.07, that's going to be about 1,400. I'll put 1,500 in a hedge. So if we're looking at a hedge here, I'll get 7 contracts here of a hedge for tomorrow. Buy to open. Let's see if we could get a better price there. It'll automatically get it. Alrighty, I'm in SPY 283 strike put for the April 15th expo. I'm in at $1.94. That is a hedge. That's a hedge for tomorrow's expo. So a small trade on that for tomorrow's expo. Alrighty, guys. Costco's probably having a huge day too. Wow, Costco's having a huge. Costco's going to be back up to 325. That's a nice trade to get there. I'm already up 7% on the SPY puts, guys. As the markets are dropping now, a quick $100 on those SPY puts. Now I'm watching to see how well this hedge is paying off compared to what's going on with the other trades. So I'm up about 500 unrealized today. I want it to stay right around there, and we're up 1,600 realized. Qualcomm trades back in the green. Last 5 minutes. Intel puts coming in. Delta puts coming in for this Friday's expo. Look at that. Market on close and balance. Seeing 900 million to the buy side. A lot of buyers coming in the last minutes here. Let's see. See if we get any pops. I like the looks of the market though. Gotta say. Our SPY puts are in the green. Our Qualcomm calls are in the green. Our Clorox calls are in the green. And our, let's see, our PayPal trade is a little bit in the red right now. Our UNH spreads in the green as well. SPY puts are now up 7%.
$1.51.
And we're still up $400 unrealized for the day. $450. So I like that hedge. We're looking good so far.
OBLN, Oberlin, therapeutic shares looking for new highs to $1.66 now. Shares are high at $1.75 earlier, moving higher again now. Off of that earlier patent news, Oscar Bravo in November.
SPY puts now up 10%, 11%. The SPY puts are going to pay off huge. Up $200 on those SPY puts. So I'm up now $200 unrealized. So you see, I had a $250 drawback from where I made that that hedge at. So I'm thinking I have 7 contracts now. It probably would have been best to go with 10. I was thinking that originally about a $2,000 hedge, but trying to teach you guys the proper way to really do that risk to reward ratio with hedging. Clorox still up $250. Our Qualcomm's now up 2%. United Health's getting a big pop here, back up 400 unrealized. PayPal's getting a big pop here, big pop. Now see, PayPal for me, that's something I'd be adding to, if you asked me personally. Grocery stores are ready for a big run. That Kroger might be a cheap way to go, but I mean, Kroger. Who really goes to Kroger? Does let's see what they look like. Bob, see you in the morning. Have a great day. 4 o'clock. Mike Francic, when you say do I have a set ratio, it depends on your account size, to be honest. And depends on the size of your trades. But we could go over that. No problem. I want some ideas from you guys of what types of video you want me to make for our classes that we're going to be holding weekly. So please let me know, all right? I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. And God bless, guys. Take care. Alrighty? Great day, Mr. Elephant. Thank you. No problem. Oh, Jerry says Kroger's in the Midwest. That's probably why.
FNGN prevails against.
Alrighty, guys. See you in the morning. Take care, guys.